Okay, this time I am starting the recording. Allow TIS and allow Teacher Jermaine to do the recording. I hope it's okay with everybody. Okay, time check. It's already 5:32 in the evening, the afternoon. Okay, I have 18 of you for tonight. Okay, so I guess other kids will be joining on later. So again, I am very sorry. I came in late for our class today because I'm still on my way home from school. Okay, so happy to see your faces again. So welcome to our reading comprehension class for tonight. So allow me to start sharing my screen. So this time, okay, we will be using an easier text, okay, so that everybody can relate to it. Okay, Justin, can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Thank you, Ma'am Rosa. Thank you, Justin and Nicole. Okay,
You're
so this
welcome, Miss.
evening we will be using this article, a credits to k5learning.com. Okay, because we will just be borrowing it for tonight. Okay, look at my screen, kids. What is the title of the reading text?
Simon the Scarecrow.
Simon the Scarecrow.
Simon the
Okay, we
Scarecrow.
have Simon or Simon the Scarecrow. Okay, I'll be asking a few of you to do the readings. Okay, can I have? Okay, do you know what a scarecrow is? Before that one, do you know what a scarecrow
Yes.
is?
Yes.
Where can we usually see a scarecrow?
Fields.
Usually in fields, right?
In the field.
Yes. Why do fields have scarecrow, Ma'am Rosa? What do you think is the reason why fields have scarecrow? What are
Because
scarecrows for?
I think
Yes,
it was terrifying.
for frightening other birds or other animals in eating the plants, right? Especially the rice, the corn in the fields. So that's
Yeah,
what,
yes,
that's what,
the birds was eating
yeah,
the
because the birds,
rice.
yeah, that's good, Mom. Because birds usually eat rice from the fields. Thank you, Mom Rosa.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. I would, okay, so let us let us learn about Simon the Scarecrow. I would like to hear from Mutiara first. Mutiara,
Yes, Miss.
okay. Before Mutiara will read tonight, I want you to take note of the title, the characters in the story, and also its setting. Then later on, we will be doing with the events in the story. Okay, yes, Mutiara, go now. Start with this until here.
Simon the Scarecrow stood in the front with that. He had a red shirt and a pumpkin hat. Simon's job was to keep the birds away from the corn. One day, Simon saw a flock of crowns in the sky. Heard the them talking about the yummy corn in the field.
Very good. Thank you for reading it well, Mutiara.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. Mutiara, please repeat after teacher. Say cornfield. This one. Cornfield.
Cornfield.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Mutiara.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. So also on my screen, you can see a picture. So this is what a scarecrow looks like. What's the name of the scarecrow? What is his name?
Simon.
He is?
Simon.
Yes. His name is Simon. What is the color of Simon's shirt?
Red.
Red shirt.
Very good,
Red shirt.
Tristan. Okay, next. What is its head made of? Its head is made of what?
Pumpkin.
Yes. Look at here. Very good. This is how a pumpkin head looks like.
Pumpkin. It is
Okay,
very
now.
funny.
Yes. Look at the face of the pumpkin. Next. What is the job of Simon? What is Simon's job?
The birds away.
Keeping the birds away from the corn.
Do it. Can I have Enda to answer that one? What is Simon's job, Enda, since he is a scarecrow?
Keep the birds
Keeper.
away.
Okay.
He was a keeper.
Okay, you have it here, keeping the birds away from the corn. And okay, Simon saw a flock of crows. Okay, crows are blackbirds. When you say flock, meaning it's a collective noun, meaning a large number of birds. Then Simon heard that they are talking about the yummy corn in the field. Okay, let's continue reading. Okay, microphones please. Microphones. Ma'am Rosa, microphone. Okay, Rihanna, can I hear from you, Rihanna?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Miss.
Rihanna. Okay, yes, Rihanna. Start your Simon.
Simon watched as the crows plant in the field. The crows start to eat the corn. Simon shook his arms. The crows did not move. Simon shook his legs. The crows did not move.
Okay, very good. You read well now, Rihanna. Teacher is happy.
Thank
Okay.
you, Miss.
Thank you, Rihanna. Thank you. Okay, this time I'll be asking another kid to read it. Okay, I'll be asking another kid to read it. Can I hear from maybe Claudie would like to read? Hi, Claudie.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, try to read it again. This
Simon.
one.
Okay. Simon watched as the crows landed in the flag. The crows started to eat the corn. Simon shook his arms. The crows did not move. Simon shook his legs. The crows did not move.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Very good, Claudie. Okay, now. So, before that one, I want you to listen to me. This is watched. Watched, not watched, okay? Watched. This is also landed. Landed. Both watched and landed are all verbs in the past tense. Same with started. Okay, watched, landed, started. What makes it in the past tense? Why do we say that these are verbs in the past tense? Because look how it is constructed. Anyone? Because
I think the event was the past.
okay, yes. Nicole, Ma'am Rosa.
So the word watch become watched.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's what there are ed. Okay, we have the letters E and D at the end of the base verb, which is watch. You add ed, it become watched.
Yes, regular verb.
Landed.
Regular
Okay, then
verb.
start.
So
You have
ed.
started. Yes, that's good, ma'am. Thank you. So Simon saw the crows already started to eat the corn. Okay, was Simon happy to see the crows started eating the corn? Was he happy? Yes or
Simon
no?
his arm.
No.
Okay, Simon was not happy. So what did he do? What did he do next?
He shook his
arms.
Okay, yes, Josephine, what did Simon do?
Shook his arms and his legs.
Okay, but did the crows move?
No.
No.
Oh, so the crows still, they are still eating the corn. Okay, let's find out what happens next. Okay, Josephine, since I'm talking to you, I want you to read, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Here.
Simon made a loud call. The crows did not move. Simon shook his pumpkin head. His straw his fell off. The crows did not move. Simon frowned. How could he scare away the crows?
Okay,
Simon
good. Thank you. Okay, oh yeah. Okay, Josephine, continue reading. Continue. Here.
Simon made a meow like a cat. The crows fell away. They caught at Simon. Simon smiled. He had done his job.
Wow, very good. Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. Okay, I would also like to hear from Catherine. Catherine.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I also want you to read. Okay, this one until here. Okay, go, Catherine.
Simon made a loud crow. The crows did not move. Simon shook his pumpkin head. His straw hat fell off. The crows did not move. Simon frowned. How could we scare away the crows? Simon made a meow like a cat. The crows flew away. They called at Simon. Simon smiled. He had done his job.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so what did Simon do next? He made a loud call, but still the crows did not move. Okay, then Mom Rasa.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Miss.
Microphones, please, ma. Microphone,
Okay,
please.
Miss. I open it.
Okay. Okay. Simon also shook his pumpkin head. Then what happened as he shook his head? What happened to his hat?
His straw hat fell off.
Okay, but did the crows move?
No.
Okay,
The crows
still
did not
no.
move.
Okay, the crows still did not move. Then Simon was thinking, how could he scare away the crows? So, what is the last thing that Simon did? Nicole, what did he do?
I think Simon made meow like a cat.
for a while. If you are not cold, okay, let's give others the chance to talk. Okay, Nicole, continue, Nicole. Nicole. Okay. Yes, Nicole.
Yes, my internet is really bad, so you're freezing.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, you're kind of... Okay, what did Simon do? What's the last move that he do?
He made a meow like a cat.
Okay, so did the crows move? Did the crows move?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So Simon smiled and he had done his job. Okay, so the crows were able to move and get away from the field of corns. So Simon was able to smile and said that he had done his job. So we can say that the crows are afraid of the cat. Why do you think? Why do you think the crows are afraid of the cat? The sound of the cat? Because they are thinking that the cat might eat them, right? They're thinking that the cat is a predator, that the cat will be eating them. So that's why once hearing the sound of the cat, the crows already moved and flew away. Okay, do you find the story interesting? Do you find it interesting?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I hope the story interesting. I hope that hello.
Hello,
Hello.
teacher.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm
Miss,
sorry.
it's 9 minutes left
I
until it's 6 p.m.
9 minutes. It's okay.
Yeah.
I guess we can still finish. Okay? We can still finish this one. I'm very sorry. I lost my connection again. Am I already sharing my screen again?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Nicholas, can I have you for number 1? Please read the question and the choices.
What was Simon? Simon was a scarecrow.
Read the choices, Nicholas, from A to D.
Simon was a dog. B. Simon was a bird.
Simon was...
C. Simon was a scarecrow.
Okay, I lost my connection again. Nicholas, the answer is Simon was a scarecrow, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Simon was a scarecrow. Let's move now to the next question. Tristan, can I have you, Tristan?
Yes, miss.
Okay, read question number 2, Tristan.
What kind of hat did Simon have?
Okay, read letter A, Simon.
What, miss?
Read the choices, Tristan.
Okay.
Simon.
A. Simon had a pumpkin hat. Oh.
I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. My connection really is Tristan.
Yes,
Tristan.
miss.
Okay. Read letter A, Tristan. I hope you can see my screen.
I can see your screen.
Okay, you can't see it. How about
Okay.
that? Can you see it now?
Okay, I can see. I can see now. A. Simon had a pumpkin hat. B. Simon had a baseball hat. C. Simon had a doll hat. D. Simon had a penguin hat. The right
Okay,
answer
what
is A.
kind of head? Yes, Simon had a pumpkin. Very good. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, I hope we can finish. We can finish this one before my internet really goes bad. Okay. Can I have now? Can I have another kid now? Inda, number 3, Inda.
Okay, miss. What kind of bird ate the corn? A. Blue jays ate the corn. B. Ducks ate the corn. C. Robins ate the corn. D. Crows ate the corn. The right answer is D.
Yes, what's the answer?
D.
Okay, you have there the crows ate the corn. Yeah, it's easy. Thank you, Inda.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, let's move now to number 4. Okay, that's quite long. This time, can I call Ethan? Ethan?
Yes.
Okay, it's your turn now, Ethan.
What was Simon's job? A. Simon's job was to make rain. B. Simon's job was to keep birds out of the corn. C. Simon's job was to scrub the toilet. D. Simon's job was to make popcorn. The answer
Yes,
is
what do you
B.
think is Simon's
Simon.
job?
The answer is B. Simon's job was keep the bird out of the corn.
Okay, yes, that's good. Okay, Simon's job was to keep the birds out of the corn. Thank you, Ethan.
Welcome, miss.
Yeah, it's very easy. That's good. How about, okay, let's have the last question. Okay, there are no choices given in number 5. Can I have Jose? Jose?
Yes.
Okay, please read the question, Jose.
Why did the birds fly away when they heard a meal?
Yes, what do you think is the reason, Jose? Why the birds fly away?
Because they think the cat will eat them.
Yes, that's good. Okay, thank you for listening to Teacher Jose. They flew away because the birds thought that the cat might eat them, right? Okay, that's
Yes.
good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jose. Okay, so those are the questions for our story. Okay, so this time I'll stop sharing first my screen. Okay, everybody, what is the title of the story? What's the title of the story?
Simon the Scarecrow.
Simon the
Simon the
Scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
Very good. Who is the main character in the story? Who's the main
Simon.
Simon.
Yes.
Simon.
Is Simon the real person? Is he a real person?
No.
No.
Oh, what kind is Simon? He is a
Scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
can a scarecrow really walk? Can a scarecrow really talk and move?
No.
No.
They know. But sometimes with the help of the air, if it's too it's too strong, the scarecrow will move just like that. Just to also its clothes, just to what do you call that one? Okay, just to send away other birds. Okay. So Tutors International School now is claiming to be the host of tonight's meeting. So I guess I have to say goodbye for now, right? Because I think Nicole's class will be starting soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, teacher
Oh,
Jermaine.
hi, Sir Harry.
I'm glad you make it. Okay,
Yeah,
now
I'm very sorry, sir.
that's okay. That's okay. So you can continue until 6:30. Right? If you want to, because Michelle Tang will start at 6, but I'm going to tell her to push another 30 minutes. Okay?
Oh, okay, sir.
All right. Now keep on going, kid. Okay? I need to drive to go to to work now. Okay, bye-bye, everyone.
Keep safe, sir. Thank you, sir, for dropping
Okay,
by.
goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Bye.
Camera.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay, so that's Dr. Harry. So is it okay with everybody that we'll be continuing for another 30 minutes? Is it okay?
Yes, I want to continue.
Okay, let's go.
Miss, can I turn off my camera because I have to get off my car and it's raining?
Yes, it's okay, Nicole. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay. So we will be continuing, okay? Oh, yes, Vinka. It's okay, Vinka. Alfonso, you're here, Alfonso. You'll be joining a science class, right?
Yes.
Is it okay with you that you'll be with us for a while?
Okay, Mr. May.
Okay, Michelle is already here. Michelle? Michelle? Okay. I will wait first for Miss Michelle. Michelle? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Okay, kids, please wait for... Okay, Michelle? Are you going to start your science class already?
No, it's okay. If you haven't finished the class, then I can wait, miss.
Okay. I, Dr. Harry dropped for a while, and she said that he said that he will be asking permission from you if I can still continue for 30 minutes, Michelle, because I came in late.
Oh, that will be okay, miss.
Okay, thank you, Michelle. Thank you. Okay, kids, we will be continuing for 30 more minutes, or maybe not, maybe for 20 more minutes. Okay, allow me to start sharing again my screen. Catherine, are you still here, Catherine?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Mutiara, are you still here?
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. Is it okay with you that we will continue for 20 more minutes?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. For a while. So, we are already done with our first story tonight, which is about Simon the Scarecrow. Okay, let's have this story again. Again, we will be using this one. Credits to k5learning.com. Okay, you have it here. Can you see my screen now? Do you have my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, can you please read the title of the story, the short story? It is?
My Little Kitty.
Miss, can I go to the toilet?
Yes, Nicholas, go to the toilet. You have there My Little Kitty. Okay, just reading the word kitty. What kind of animal is it? What kind of animal is
I
it?
think it is a cat.
Cat.
It is a cat
Cat.
because a newborn cat or a baby cat, a newborn cat is called kitten. Okay, so kitty is a cat. Okay, let us find out what the story is about. This is very what do you call this one? This is very short, just a very short one. Okay, so maybe I'll be asking 5 kids to read. Can I start again with Rihanna? Rihanna?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I want to hear from you, Rihanna. Start from this one until the end, okay?
My little kitty. This is my little kitty, Belle. Her fur is soft and white. She is very pretty. Belle was sitting in her bed. She saw a big rat and ran to catch it. My kitty was too slow to catch the rat. Belle sat on her bed again. The rat ran past in the cat again.
Okay, good. Thank you, Rihanna. Okay, honey, this time it's your turn now, honey. Honey.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please read now.
She saw a big rat and ran to catch it. My kitty was too slow
No.
to...
For a while. I want you to start from the beginning, from the title, please.
My little kitty. This is my little kitty, Belle. Her fur is soft and white. She is very pretty. Belle was sitting in her bed. She saw a big rat and ran to catch it. My kitty was too slow to catch the rat. Belle sat on her bed again. The rat ran past the cat again.
Okay, good. Thank you, honey.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, how about Shitya?
Yes,
Please read,
Miss.
Shitya. Okay, please read now.
My little kitty. This is my little kitty, Belle. Her fur is soft and white. She is very pretty. Belle was sitting in her bed. She saw a big rat and ran to catch it. My kitty was too slow to catch the rat. Belle sat on her bed again. The rat ran past the cat again.
Okay, good. Okay, how about, can I have Andriani? Andriani, can you please read?
Yes, Miss.
Hi, Andriani. Okay, lastly, I want you to read My Little Kitty.
Okay, Miss. My little kitty. This is my little kitty. Billy, her fur is soft and white. She is very pretty. Billy was
Pretty.
pretty.
Yeah.
Billy
Very.
was, Billy was sitting in her bed. She saw a big rat and ran to catch it. My kitty was too slow to catch the rat. Billy sat on her bed again. The rat ran past the cat again.
Okay, good. Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Andriani. Okay, this time, can I talk now to, is this Sanasa? The one using Namel Simamora? Is this Sanasa or Fidelita? Am I right? No? Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, instead of them, can I have, okay, Mutiara, can I have you?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what kind of animal is Kitty? What kind of animal is Kitty? It is a,
Cat.
yes, what's the name of the cat in the,
Bella.
yes, its name is Belle. Can you give me adjectives describing Belle? What kind of cat is Belle?
Very pretty.
Yes, very pretty, Mutiara. What else, Mutiara? The cat is? Uh, how about its fur or
Soft
Soft
her
and
and
white.
fur?
white. The cat is soft and white.
Okay, referring to its fur. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay,
Welcome.
Erin. Okay, thank Mutiara. Thank you, Erin.
Yes, miss.
Okay, while Belle was sitting, what did Belle saw? What did she saw while she is sitting in her bed?
What, miss?
What did Belle saw when she's sitting in her bed? She saw what?
A big rat and ran to catch it.
Okay, was Belle able to catch the rat?
Yes.
Was she able to catch the rat? Look closely.
No.
Okay, she's not able to catch the rat. Nicolas?
Yes, miss.
Nicolas? Nicolas, this is you?
Yes.
Okay, same question. Was Belle able to catch the rat?
No.
Okay, why? What is the reason why
Because
she's not able to catch
Belle
it?
was too slow to catch the rat.
Okay, then how about the rat? How does the rat move? Or how does the rat moves?
She runs
If
fast.
yeah, she runs fast. Then look at Belle. Belle moves very slow. That's why she can't catch the rat who is or which is running fast. Thank you, Nicholas. Very good.
Welcome, miss.
Okay, let's move now to the questions. Let's move now to the questions. Okay, before I'll be giving it to the next teacher. Okay, can I have Tristan? You want to answer again, Tristan? Number 1.
Yes, miss.
Okay, please read and answer.
What color is the kitty?
Yes.
The color of the kitty is white.
Yes, its color white. Very good. Thank you. Okay, Indas, question number 2, please.
What was the cat sitting in her bed?
Okay, can you answer in a complete sentence, please? The cat was sitting
The cat sitting in her bed.
in her
The
bed.
cat
Okay,
was
good.
sitting.
Thank you. Okay, the cat was sitting in her bed. Okay, so not just say the cat sitting in her bed. So the cat was sitting in her bed. Okay, thank you, Inda.
You're welcome, Miss.
Catherine, can I have you for number 3, Catherine?
Yes, teacher. What did Belle say? She saw a big rat.
Okay, Belle saw a big
Rat.
rat. Very good. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Lastly, Jose, can I have you again? Number 4, read and justify your answer, please.
Did the kitty catch the rat? No,
Yes. Why?
because the kitty is too slow and the rat is too fast.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Last question. Give me the title of the very short story. What's the title of the story?
My little kitty. My little kitty.
Yes. Who is or what? Who is the main character in the story?
Belle. Belle.
Okay. Is Belle a person?
No. No.
No. It's an. What they call? It's an
Animal.
It's a cat.
Belle.
Animal.
Yes, very good, Catherine. It's a cat, so it's an animal. Okay, for you, where do you think the story happened? By just reading through the lines. Do you think it happened at school, in the market, in the farm? Where do you think it happened? Anyone? Do you think it happened in school? Do you think it happened in the farm, in the mall? Where did the story happen?
In the home. In the house.
In the home.
Okay, that's good, Catherine. That's good, Mom Rosa. The story happened at the house, especially, to be specific, it happened in the bedroom. Okay, because you have there sitting in her bed.
Bed.
Okay, very, very good. Yes. Okay, so this time, I think teacher will not be finishing until 6:30 so that the next teacher can also start now. So I'll be stopping to share my screen. Okay, Michelle, I think I need to stop also the recording so you can do your own recordings later on, right?
Yeah. Yes, miss, you can stop the recording if you're finished, but if not, then you can still continue the class and don't mind.
Okay, thank you, Michelle. So kids, it's already 6:16 in the evening. I guess teacher needs to say goodbye for now, okay? Then I'll see you next meeting, next
Okay,
Monday for
miss.
our grammar class. Thank you for being with me
Bye.
and happy to see
See
you.
you next meeting. Bye-bye.
This is Sky.
Okay, for those who are with Miss Michelle, you can just stay with Miss Michelle. Okay, thank you. God bless. Enjoy your dinner. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Catherine. Thank you, Alfonso.
Goodbye, miss.
Bye-bye.